Very good afternoon to everybody. I am S. Krishnaswamy, Joint General Manager, Ordnance Factory, Tiruchirappalli. I am representing Advanced Weapon and Equipment India Limited, AWEIL, headquartered at Kanpur. It is having 8 factories. Earlier we are part of Ordnance Factory Board. Now you all know that it is divided into 7 DPSUs, Defence Public Sector Undertakings. Now our DPSU name is AWEL. We are having 8 factories. This 3 factories at Kanpur, 1 factory is at Amethi, this 1 factory at Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, 2 factories at Kolkata, 1 factory in Madhya Pradesh, Jabalpur. So mainly our factories manufactures various type of weapons, small arms, medium caliber weapons, large caliber weapons, artillery weapons, this naval systems, naval weapons, all these guns, weapons, we manufacture this. So suppose if it is a small arms, like pistols, revolvers, this INSAS rifle, AK-47 rifles, these are being produced in small arms factory, rifle factory Shapur and ordnance factory Tiruchirappalli. And all big artillery guns, it is being produced in Kanpur, Jabalpur, gun carriage factory, these factories. So earlier our speakers, my colleague, they are speaking from HVF and other factories. So they are expecting, they want to outsource bigger sub-assembly systems, like any this motors, hydraulic motors, other things. But comparing to tank, either T-72 or T-90S, other tanks, rifle, small arms, medium caliber, medium machine guns, these are all low technology items. So majority of our 8 factories, mainly basically it is a mechanical engineering industry. If somebody is having CNC machines, somebody is having like a vertical machining center, horizontal machining center, this turning centers and some kind of drilling machines, grinding machines. So you can do business very well with all our ordnance factories, AWEL. So this is a stabilized remote control weapon systems. So it is having 2 systems. One is a gun assembly, second one is sight assembly. So gun is it is a .5 Browning gun. Now in present day it is called M2 HP gun. So this is also we received TOT from Elbit, Israel. So the gun .5 Browning. So this is manufactured in US. Ohio Ordnance Works Ohio this .5 Browning gun recently you might have seen in these 2 movies, KGF and that Vikram movie, same gun only we are indigenizing. So some time back it was being manufactured in rifle factory Shapur, but now again we are manufacturing. This is .5 Browning, it is a 12.7 mm caliber. So we are also having Russian gun, that is a NSVT 12.7 mm AD gun that we are regularly producing. These are all almost like number 1, number 2 guns in heavy duty, heavy machine gun caliber. Now OFT has got opportunity to productionize both these 1 and 2 machine guns, old renowned machine guns. And bottom it is a stabilized system. So once target is locked, all gyromotors and target acquisition data, everything it is there. So once target is locked, the gun will attack that enemy vessel. Whatever pirates in that boat, whatever fast they are moving, but will attack. So actually in Elbit, Israel, they have this CKD, SKD kits they have supplied. Now it has stage has come, now initial manufacturing phase. Now we have to manufacture these guns, we have to give to Navy and Coast Guard. In initial manufacturing phase, we are want to partner with this suppliers. This is another indigenization project, this PKT mission gun, which is being used in T-72, T-90S tank and BMP tank. These tanks are being produced in this Avadi and Ordnance Factory Hyderabad, Medak. So as our earlier colleague told that because of Indo-Russian war they are not getting Piketty machine gun. Now we are productionizing on Warfoot basis in Tiruchirappalli factory. So these components also in future we will outsource it, but currently few components we outsourced. So these are all our guns. Comparing to HVF, they want to offer suppliers as a sub-assemblies, somewhat complicated items. But our small arms, medium machine guns, light machine guns, these are all very easy. As an independent component we are giving. Just you are having few CNC machines, few grinding machines, few drilling machines. You can manufacture these components. Rifle is having hardly just 75 to 125 numbers. But tank is having thousands in numbers. So first one is a Tiruchi assault rifle. So it is nothing but AK-47 rifle. So it is a second one is a Trika carbine. So it is in Russia. It is the AK-74U. This is a multi-shell launcher. So it is used for police forces or that CRPF to control the agitating mob. They want to do dharna in front of collector offices. The police want to quell the crowd, agitating crowd. This multi-shell launcher will be used. Multi-grenade launcher, it will be used by CRPF and other allied forces of this like Telangana police, Andhra police in mitigating that Naxal Maoist violence. So these are all various weapons we are manufacturing. The 7.62 self-loading rifle, 12.7 mm heavy duty heavy machine gun with Russian technology, civilian market sporting rifle, this anti-medieval rifle, this 30 mm auto cannon gun, INSAS rifles we supplied, produced to Army, Central Armed Police Forces. These are all 9 mm pistols, the pump action gun. This is a tear gas launcher. Again to quell out this agitating crowd, this tear smoke gun is used. Anti-riot guns. This again sheet metal version AK-47. This is sniper rifles, assault rifles in the 5.56 caliber. This 7.62 caliber assault rifle, .315 sporting rifle. Again another variant sporting rifle. Sporting rifles. These pistols, revolvers, the civilian pistols. This is a medium machine gun. It is being produced at small arms factory Kanpur. This is a JVBC carbine. In airports you can see this type of gun. Sometimes this Heckler Koch MP5 they are using. It is imported from German. Now CASF they purchased this JVBC gun from our Ordnance Factory Kanpur. Ordnance Factory, smallest factory Kanpur they used to producing. These are artillery guns. It is being produced at Jabalpur, Kanpur. This is a Bofors gun. Now it is a Dhanush. It is being produced at Gun Carriage Factory, Jabalpur. Yes. Now we come to this main topic. This outsourcing and this business opportunities with AWL. So actually this is our ordnance factories, whatever 8 ordnance factories in AWL. We are outsourcing basically pure components only this. So not big sub-assemblies. It is a very simple components this. So first of all we are very much thankful to the Swatantra Foundation. So they have given very big space and they are repeatedly so many mails they sent to us. And actually in Tamil Nadu this Chennai Coimbatore is a big manufacturing base. In Ambattur, this Gundi, Perangudi, this type of areas, so many industries are there. Coimbatore also, people used to say a lot of manufacturing industries there. But sometimes how to connect with this MSME vendors, MSME suppliers, it is still it is a big this one. So wherever this type of expos are happening, we are continuously we are going displaying our components. Whenever Codicia, Tidicia, Salem, whenever they are calling us, we are going and we are displaying our items. So it is simply you have to purchase the raw material, you have to purchase as per the drawing specification, we have to do any forging, and you are having a few CNC machines, you can manufacture these items. So all majority of components in pistol, revolver, this small arms like AK-47, Insas rifle, medium machine gun, light machine gun, these components are like this only. Whatever I shown, 4 components, it is like that only. Suppose say first component, you should have a turning center, you are having a certain turn mill center, any VMC, you can manufacture that type of component. Second one is a bolt carrier. Here also one VMC, 2-3 VMCs, one HMC, one deep hole drill you are having, you can manufacture this bolt carrier. So gas piston means just you should have only turning center. So rear block means again vertical machining centers. So these things we are outsourcing, these are purely machined components. Some springs also we do outsourcing, helical springs, torsion springs, braided springs. So plastic items, this glass fiber reinforced polyamides, this fixed butt assembly, plastic magazine, these are all AK-47 rifle components. And sheet metals also we do outsourcing this. Now you know government policies, we are Indian industry make in India concept. Certain time he told that T-72, T-90 it is a Russian technology like that. But guns also our Central Armed Police Forces, Army, they are importing this. Suppose you see in any airport you visit, the soldiers, the CA, Central Industrial Security Force, they are holding a Heckler Koch MP7, MP5 carbines. They are from Germany. So if it is a AK-47, they are importing from East European countries like Arsenal, Johnstock Company, Bulgaria, they are importing. Like that in small arms, not that much big technology is there. But in spite of that, we are importing this. So now Make in India policy is to encourage our Indian industrial base, and Ordnance Factory Tiruchirappalli, definitely this you can visit this Tamil Nadu vendors. You can visit OFT at any point of time. We can show our components. Now, if any supply order will get, the original component itself we are giving to you. So all this help we are doing. And also while quoting, some of the vendors they are asking, sir, if we successfully develop this item, what is your monthly requirement? Is the 5,000, 7,000 numbers, do we get something like that? They are asking. But this much heavy requirement, I feel it is available in automobile sector only. But in this arms armament, this much mass quantity won't be there. So even rifle, suppose to the extent 20,000, 50,000, 30,000 we do manufacture per yearly. But other medium caliber weapons, artillery guns, PKT gun, these type things we are having. Suppose if it is fitted in tank, how many tanks they produce, those many guns only requirement will be there. Hardly they may produce 100 tanks, 80 tanks in a year. So that much requirement only will be there. But whenever you take these items, either plastic items, sheet metal items, if it is any machined items, so you exactly calculate your cost of the product. So raw material cost. Now thing is that for making 80 numbers or 8,000 numbers, one fixture you have to make, jig you have to make. So specialty tools, solid carbide tools, any special tool you have to manufacture. You have to purchase from Sandvik, this type of tools. But all calculations you properly do and we are ready to pay. If really this some item is developed in India, it is a pride to India. Now technology items we are importing from foreign, okay. That much not complicated items also we are importing from foreign countries. But this is, I feel, my personal feeling, it is not good. So we are ready to pay. This your raw material cost, your R&D cost. R&D cost means this jig cost, fixture cost, tools cost, whatever staff you are writing part programming, so your mission running time, so your profit, everything properly you calculate. But some of the vendors, they are taking orders and they are not delivering. When we are asking like Ambattur, some organization, some industries, they are asking, sir, we quoted the low price, sir, we did not anticipate this intricacy. When we are working out some proper fixture we have to make, and normal HSS tool we cannot make, we have to purchase costly tool, like this type of reasons they are telling. Same is the case with sheet metal also. Sheet metal also you have to make so many tools. Sometimes you have to make 10 tools, means sometimes they want to make shortcut method they are following. But shortcut method following means correct, it won't come this. So you correctly calculate and give a costing, we are ready to pay. If it is manufactured in any Coimbatore, Ambattur, Perungudi, this Gundi, very we feel very happy this. So these things I want to tell. Regarding this vendor registration also, same procedure like our this Pankaj Singh explained from engine factory. You have to go DDP, DO, you have to get a vendor registration by paying 2000 rupees. These are things. These are all mandatory requirements. 80% of our requirement we issue to limited tender inquiry. Every year 20% of requirement we issue open tender. But thing is that the first time supplier we have to enter through open tender. Once if you get the supply order, so drawing we will clearly explain. This we will give original raw material. You can come to Trichy and you can visit our factory and you can see our manufacturing. Our fellows also how to explain. Suppose we are manufacturing in our side, how we are manufacturing, we will show our manufacturing process also, so that no need to invent again reinvent the thing this. So all help we are doing this because now this our Nordis factories also manpower is decreasing. Now we definitely we need your support. So to develop and to manufacture these items. So we provide all necessary helps. So whatever material, EN19, EN24, British standards, what chemical composition, all these things will help. And once raw material, please choose properly as per the drawing. And also if any tolerances are there in drawing, so you have to match to the tolerance. Suppose if it is a 21 to 0 to 50 micron, 21 mm 0 to 50 micron, definitely it should be there. But sometimes a little bit only my component is deviated, like that some of the vendors are telling, but it is not correct. It is within the tolerance one has to manufacture that component, because in small arms, if any soldier is going in Jammu Kashmir or northeast area, that whatever AK-47, whatever 5.56 inches, whatever Trichy assault rifle is carrying, it is a rifle is a moral boost to that soldier. So, but it is like a nightmare to the soldier if his gun is supposed to stop functioning. Then definitely terrorists, they are also holding AK-47s. So never ever he won't dream that okay, my rifle should always should not stop. Always soldier rifle has to fire like that. This. So first of all, I am very much thankful to these organizers of Swatantra Foundation. So they are so much, they are chasing and so many mails they are giving. So sometimes I feel ashamed that I could not properly respond to them. But really, these organizers, I am very much thankful for giving this much big space and for creating this opportunity. Not only now, in future also we will come. Whenever Tidisha, Kodisha, Coimbatore, this is I think second time we are coming in Chennai Trade Center. So once again, thanks for all this.